So what's happening? I'll tell you what's happening. It's towards the end of week 3 now of the lockdown. This might not drop until the week 4 though, I'll be honest with you, just because of the detailing videos of the Q7 that's going up. So, you know, I'm self-employed. As I said before, no help. So my only thing really, apart from living on savings, is keep the online store open, which I have been doing. I'm doing the post office. So, you know, post every day. Use a drop and go service, so I haven't got a queue. Even though we've got all the social distancing, I can walk and just drop the parcels off in the sack. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. I've got to do a bit of shopping as well, because I need a lot, I will be honest with you. So there's a co-op right by on this triangle with this post office called the Triangle. So what I'm going to do is do a bit of essential shopping, do the post office. So they haven't exactly said what car I can use, as I've said in the previous Beetle videos. So Beetle's come out of the garage and I'm going to take on a run to do some shopping on the post office. So yeah, why not in here? It's a bit of fun, keep me happy for 2 minutes, and just escaping from the world again, innit? So peace and love as always, and enjoy my little video. I think I might update you along the way and as I go, so why not? Right, I need to go grab the parcels first. So there we go, got the GoPro in the one hand for the time being. We're having a spin. As you can hear, because it is static, I don't think I've probably shown this before. Any little bump, you get a bit of a rub in the wheel arch. With the ride on it, I love it. Going from a Q7 with air suspension, that's like riding a double bed round the place. This thing, you feel every little bump that you don't even realise. And you can try to avoid a pothole, but you can't really avoid them, for the simple fact of it's got a 4-inch narrow beam on the front, so your front wheels are a little different to where you expect them to be. You know, she's got good picks up, no problem at all. Like, she drives really well. And also near 60 road, so stick with it. But there we go. I'll update you a little bit further along the shopping trip. So there we go. Done everything I need to do. As you can see, post office has been done. Co-op is literally just right over there. And this is what I like about having this old car. I've had 2 people come on me. It's so nice to see something, a bit of fun in everything that's going on. One chap, I can tell you, had a bit of a disability. Must have been in his 60s, 70s. Lovely guy. Stood the other side. Heavy, heavy, heavy. That's what he was saying to me. So I love that. Another gent then was getting in his car and said he had a brand new one back in 1974, an orange one. So it would have been super, that would have been, wouldn't it? But, you know, that's the fun of it, innit? You know, you're bringing back memories of people, and people stay, have a chat or whatever. So yeah, that's a successful shopping trip as well. I've needed it. It's been good for me, but hopefully seeing the little car has cheered a few people up as well. So peace and love as always. Keep following the stuff. Viking Views, Portal Paranormal. Boss out. Boosh.